I've been using the Superfruit Gentle Exfoliating Cleanser from youth to the people, and I'm impressed by how it combines effective exfoliation with a gentle formula that doesn't strip my skin. The papaya enzymes work wonders in removing dead skin cells, while the vitamin C and ginger root visibly brighten and smooth out my complexion. It leaves my skin feeling soft, refreshed, and hydrated all day, which is a huge plus for anyone with dry or combo skin like mine. I love how the gentle acid combo of AHAs, lactic, glycolic, phytic acids, and BHA gently exfoliate without being harsh. After just one use, my skin feels noticeably smoother, my pores are less visible, and there's an immediate radiance. Plus, the caffeine and yerba mate give my skin a nice energized boost, perfect for those days when I feel like my complexion is dull and tired. I've been using it 3 times a week, and it's become a key part of my routine for maintaining an even skin tone and texture. What stands out is that despite its exfoliating power, it never leaves my skin dry or tight, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy skin barrier. Overall, this cleanser is ideal for anyone dealing with uneven skin tone, rough texture, or congested pores. It's gentle enough for regular use, but still provides noticeable results. Highly recommended for those looking for a brightening, exfoliating cleanser that also hydrates and revitalizes the skin.